See, in this Pandas tutorial, I will show you how to process data from different data frames and make a single data frame. So for this demo, I am taking information from 4 CSV files and making it to a single CSV file. So here you see this is one of the air quality measurement, and this CSV file has information about the city and the nitrogen oxide level and that city. It has country, date, other information in this. So similarly, we have the another pollution level measurement PM25. This city and the pollution level is there in this data file, in this CSV file. And we have the station information, location information for this station in lat longs. For this station, this is the latitude, longitude. And we have some parameters, description of those stations. Okay. Now after processing, we will generate this CSV file. The date, location information in lat long combined with the description. Okay, so now show you the document for this demo. You can see the document from this link. I took this CSV data also from that link, this link. So here I am importing Pandas as PD. So I am reading the air quality, nitrogen oxide air quality measurements into a data frame. So I am filtering only the required column for the processing. So it has more columns. I am just filtering what is required, the parameter, location, and the value. Okay, just printing what is there and that data frame. So you will see the nitrogen oxide. Same way I am going to read the pollution level parameters also, PM25. So reading the data frame, printing the head there. Now I am going to concatenate these two data frame. You can do row wise concatenation as well as column wise concatenation. So we have one data frame which contains nitrogen oxide level, other data frame PM25 level. So I am going to combine them and concatenate them the row wise. Axis equal to 0 means row wise, axis is equal to 1 means column wise. So I am ignoring the index also. Okay, now I am printing what is there in the combined data frame, that is NO2 and PM25 combined. In the head I am printing that is PM25. After that at the bottom it added all the nitrogen oxide values. So this is the combined data frame. Now let's see how many rows are there in the input data frame and how many rows are there in the combined data frame. See, this is NO2 PM25, this many rows, this many columns. NO2 this many rows, this many columns, and the combined data frame, because it's a row wise concatenation, you can just add these two rows. Here the resultant row is this. Okay, we can also do column wise concatenation based on the requirement how we want. Just for this demo I am showing the column wise concatenation with the axis equal to 1. Okay, and printing the head. This kind of data may not be useful for our purpose, because you see this timestamp is different from this. This is PM25, this is NO2 value, and station is also different. Just column wise concatenate I am saying. Okay, now you can also sort the values. When you are concatenating, you can assign a key to the data frames. For example, values from this PM25 CSV file, I can assign this key. Same way for this NO2 rows, I can assign this key. So you execute it, it will assign the key. So I am printing this, and you can see in the tail, you will see NO2 on the NO2 in the tail. So So now from the combined data frame with the keys, you can filter the data with using the keys, something like this. Data with the key, you can look PM means it will print only those filtered values. Okay, now this combined data frame has now NO2 and PM25 values. Now I want to insert the station location information from this CSV file. This CSV file has the station location information in terms of latitude and longitude. So I am going to read that file and the printing just for this station. This is the latitude longitude. Now I will see this here combined. Okay, these coordinates, and just printing the number of the shape of the air quality and the shape for your information. Now we will see the combined thing. Now I am going to merge the air quality data frame from the information from the station coordinate. I am going to join, do left join on the location. This both the data frame has the common key as location. See this location in the coordinates in lat long, and the combined data frame also had a location. See this is the key. So when this key matches with the key in the location in the station coordinate, and this lat long is taken and inserted into the combined table. So I am doing this left join on the location. This is the common column key. Okay, now this is the combined data with the location information, location lat long, location latitude and longitude, timestamp for this is the location and latitude and longitude. Just for this information, again after the combination I am printing the shape. Now actually this rows is more than the expected row because there is a duplicate in the stations. When you have a duplicate rows, you will get the more rows here. After a left join, you will get the more rows. Now you can also, just for the demo, I will show how you to merge and the right join, merge on the right join on the using the location. As I said previously, it based on the what format data you want, based on your application requirement. I'm just showing for demo purpose what will happen if you do right join. Okay, now I am going from some other CSV file. I am going to read the quality parameters with this description. So this this parameter table and the combined table doesn't have any common column. The earlier we had a common column location. We don't have any common column. So what I am going to associate, see this from the left joint, I am going to take the parameter as the key, associate that with the ID column in the air quality parameters. This column in the air quality parameters, and parameter from the this combined table. Okay, so now after combined, it inserted the description also in the combined column. So now I am printing how many rows are in the left joined column air quality parameter. See here, this rows is same as this because there is no duplicate in the air quality parameters. But in the stations we had a duplicate rows. That is why that rows was not matching. So here this row is same as this row. Now I am going to save this into a CSV file. So this is the combined output I showed you at the starting of this video. Okay, I will put this code in my GitHub and I will give the link in the description.